For today's activity, instead of writing stories right away, we'll practice this idea of value, problem, answer, meaning. Specifically, we'll practice this idea of problem. And to do this, we'll write some objects on little pieces of paper. For example, a cup of coffee, a chair, a book. We might write these words on pieces of paper and put them in a container. And I will draw a word. For example, I draw the word coffee. And we will sell a cup of coffee using the fabulous technique from copywriting. Now, in fact, this technique is not called fabulous in copywriting. I have changed the initials for the sake of our class, but the technique is the same. This is a technique that has been used in magazines, in print, on the web, to target a reader, a consumer, and sell them something. And the way this technique works is you establish a problem that the consumer has. You make that problem hurt. Make it hurt so much that the consumer needs an answer. And of course, your answer is buy this coffee or buy this chair, whatever you're selling. And it will benefit you. It will help you. It will solve your problem. So let's try an example. Let's say we're selling the coffee. This line will be buy this coffee. Now I need to establish a problem first. It might be, are you sleepy in class? After that, I need to make the problem hurt. I might say, have you been fired from your teaching job for dozing in your videos? Then, once the problem hurts, I give the answer, which is my product. Buy this coffee. And I state how it will help, how it will benefit the consumer. I say, you will be an energetic, exciting teacher for the rest of your life. Something like that. This is the technique, and I want to point out that when we establish the problem, it must be a problem. If you remember the lesson, the more serious the problem, the more interested the reader. I can't ask, do you like coffee? Because that's not a problem. Think of how many things you don't read. Think of how many people you walk by, because they don't really help you with a serious problem. We want to catch the reader with a problem. Hey, are you sleepy in class? Oh, sometimes. And make that problem hurt. Notice also that when we used the hurt sentence, or the hurt question, we didn't say, are you worried? Are you scared? We just asked directly. Imagine you moved into a new neighborhood, a new house, and I said, are you scared you will be robbed? You might feel a little scared from that question. But imagine if I live in the neighborhood and I say, hey, have you been robbed yet? By asking the question directly, by saying, have you been robbed yet? I make it sound like it's a real possibility, like it might happen. Maybe it has already happened. When you feel that, I don't have to ask, are you scared? I have made you scared. And now you have to buy my security system, or you have to buy my coffee. There are serious ethical problems to this approach to writing, but it is an effective technique.